Venture with me into the crushing blackness of the deep ocean. A world so alien, it might as well be another planet. Down here, thousands of feet below the surface, sunlight is a distant memory, and the pressure is immense. In this extreme environment live creatures that defy imagination, shaped by the darkness and the cold. Among the most enigmatic of these is a phantom of the abyss, a creature so bizarre it looks like a spider from a science fiction movie. This is the world of the long-armed squid. First discovered in the late 1980s, the long-armed squid, belonging to the genus Magnappina, stunned scientists. Unlike any squid known before, its arms and tentacles are astonishingly long and slender, sometimes reaching lengths of over 25 feet. That's longer than a giraffe is tall. But what makes them truly strange is how they hold these limbs, instead of the muscular, coiling tentacles we see in shallow water squids. The long-armed squid's appendages dangle straight down, bent at a sharp, elbow-like angle. It's an eerie, skeletal posture that gives them a ghostly, almost marionette-like appearance as they drift silently through the water. Imagine you're in a deep-sea submersible, peering out the viewport into the inky black. Suddenly, a shape materializes in the lights. It's a small, cone-shaped body, maybe the size of a football, with large, soulful eyes adapted for gathering the faintest glimmers of light. But trailing beneath it are these impossibly long, pale threads, like fishing lines cast into the void. This is the classic, haunting image of the Magnappina squid. These sightings are incredibly rare. For decades, we only knew of them from damaged specimens caught in deep-sea trawling nets. It wasn't until remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, began exploring the deep that we finally saw them alive in their natural habitat. Let's talk about those incredible arms. A typical squid has 8 arms, and 2 longer tentacles used for catching prey. The long-armed squid blurs this distinction. All 10 of its appendages are identical in appearance, and are incredibly long and thin. They seem too delicate to be used for grappling with large prey. So, what are they for? The leading theory is that they are used for a unique form of passive hunting. The squid drifts just above the seafloor, letting its long, sticky filaments drag along the bottom like a net. When a small crustacean or other bottom-dwelling creature bumps into one of the tentacles, it hits Stook, much like an insect in a spider's web. The squid can then slowly reel in its arm to bring the meal to its beak. This trolling method is a brilliant adaptation for an environment where food is scarce. Actively chasing prey burns a lot of energy, something deep-sea creatures can't afford to waste. By simply drifting and waiting, the long-armed squid conserves precious calories. The extreme length of its arms maximizes its chances of encountering food, creating a massive net to sweep the seafloor. The surface of these filaments is covered in microscopic suckers, ensuring that once something touches it, it isn't getting away. It's a patient, silent, and highly efficient way to hunt in the abyss. One of the most captivating aspects of deep-sea life is bioluminescence, the ability of an organism to create its own light. The long-armed squid glow. While we haven't directly observed it, it's highly likely. Many deep-sea cephalopods use bioluminescence for a variety of purposes: attracting prey, startling predators, communicating with mates, or providing camouflage. Given that its relatives in the deep sea are masters of light, scientists speculate that the Magnappina squid may have light-producing organs, or photophores, on its body or arms. Imagine those long, dangling filaments, each one tipped with a tiny, glowing lure, creating a curtain of deadly, beautiful lights to attract unsuspecting victims. It's a tantalizing possibility that adds another layer of mystery to this creature. So where do these elusive squids live? Sightings have been recorded in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, suggesting a global distribution. They are found in the bathyal and abyssal zones, typically at depths between 1 and 4 miles. Here, the water temperature is just above freezing, and the pressure can exceed 6,000 pounds per square inch. It is a testament to the resilience of life that such a complex animal can thrive under such crushing conditions. The vastness of this habitat is also why sightings are so rare. We've explored less than 5% of our own planet's deep oceans. The long-armed squid is likely far more common than we realize. We just haven't been looking in the right places at the right time. Every new video clip captured by an ROV, adds a small piece to the puzzle. For example, some footage shows the squid retracting its arms with a surprising speed, coiling them up like measuring tape. This suggests they have more muscular control than their delicate appearance implies. Other observations show them propelling themselves with their large fins, which ripple gracefully to move their body through the water. Each observation helps us build a better picture of their behavior, their movement, and their place in the deep-sea ecosystem. But so much remains unknown. How do they reproduce? We have no idea. Do they congregate in certain areas, or are they solitary wanderers? We don't know. What preys on them? A sperm whale, perhaps, or another, even larger, deep-sea squid. The questions far outnumber the answers. The long-armed squid is a perfect symbol of the deep ocean itself. Vast, mysterious, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. It reminds us that our planet still holds wonders that rival anything we could dream up in fiction. The study of creatures like the Magnapinna squid isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. Understanding life in the deep sea is crucial for understanding the health of our entire planet. The deep ocean plays a vital role in regulating our climate and is home to a web of life that is interconnected in ways we are just beginning to comprehend. The more we learn about its inhabitants, the better equipped we are to protect this fragile, hidden world from threats like deep-sea mining and pollution. The next time you look out at the ocean, remember what lies beneath the surface. Remember the crushing darkness, the immense pressure, and the strange and wonderful creatures that call it home. And remember the ghostly figure of the long-armed squid, with its elbow-like arms and silent, patient hunt. It is a living testament to the endless creativity of evolution and the profound mystery that still exists right here, on our own world. There are still dragons in the deep, and we've only just begun to find them. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of the long-armed squid. If you found this journey as fascinating as I do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more explorations into the unknown. Let us know in the comments which deep-sea creature you'd like to see us cover next. Until then, keep exploring.